Welcome back to our channel. Today let's dive into the Blitzkrieg strategy of World War II. Blitzkrieg, or Lightning War, was a military tactic used by Germany to achieve rapid victories. It combined fast-moving forces, surprise attacks, and coordinated strikes from air and ground units. Key elements included tanks, infantry, and aircraft working together. This approach overwhelmed opponents, disrupting their defenses before they could respond. First used in Poland in 1939, Blitzkrieg allowed Germany to conquer vast territories quickly, leading to victories in France and the Low Countries. While effective initially, the strategy faced challenges later in the war as Allied forces adapted. For more World War II facts, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.